Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are decorating my living room for the fall season. So make sure you are super comfortable and cozy because that is the vibe we are going for in this room. So I have it right now decorated for pre-fall. I made a video on this, I'll have it linked down below, but I want to add a lot more fall and autumnal touches to this room. So I am really excited to decorate it, but I thought I would show you what it looks like right now so you can see the before and then the after at the end of the video. So as you can see, it's very simple right now. I do have touches of fall color, but we're really gonna amp this up. And I was holding out and I kept telling you guys that I really wanted to decorate with real pumpkins. I like to decorate with them more than fake ones. It just feels super traditional and nostalgic for me because that's how my parents decorated when I was growing up, with real pumpkins. I do have fake ones, of course, like that white one in the front is not real, but I even found real little white pumpkins. These are everybody's favorite. And when I decorate a room, no matter which room it is, I set everything out that I want to use so that I can see it all laid out in one place, and that makes it really easy for me to decorate. So you can kind of see here my theme and my color scheme is very natural. I wouldn't call this neutral. I feel like I do have the pops of fall color throughout my room, but it's very natural looking. It's muted, it's earthy, and it's kind of like a modern traditional vibe, and I am just loving it. I can't wait for you guys to see it all done. But before I decorate, I love to light a fall scented candle. Banana bread is one of my favorite scents and foods to eat in the fall, so this banana bread candle from Candle Heaven Inc. is amazing. I've talked about them before, but they make soy candles. They are hand poured, cruelty and toxin free, and they are small batch candles. I'm gonna link all of their information down below because these candles are truly better for you and your home and even for your pets to be around. They're giving you guys 15% off, and they have an awesome lineup of new scents. Besides the banana bread, there's even a Tres Leche scent, there's pumpkin spice, apple orchard, they have a Day of the Dead scent, and even a cider donut, and they have this adorable little jack-o'-lantern pumpkin. They also have these super cute little apple candles and the mug candles. So make sure you go follow them on social media. I'll have it all linked down below for surprise flash sales. And the coupon is going to be linked down below as well if you're interested in purchasing. I highly recommend the banana bread. Like I said, it is absolutely to die for. So the first place that I wanted to decorate is my hearth. I always kind of struggle here, but I feel like you can't go wrong with just throwing a bunch of pumpkins in an area. So I wanted to do just that. I wanted to add a bunch of pumpkins. I wanted this to feel like a display at a pumpkin patch. So you guys will have to let me know if you like what I did. I'm kind of loving it, but I'm also kind of like, is it too much? You guys know me, I tend to be a little bit more scaled back. So definitely leave a comment down below once this display is done and let me know what you think. I was kind of hell-bent on using my corn stalks. I just think they add that pumpkin patch true fall feel, and so I tried them out here and I feel like they look pretty good, but I also don't know if they look out of place. So again, let me know what you guys think about this display. So now I'm going to decorate my TV console area, and I just use the same garland year after year. It's a really neutral one, so I can add whatever I want to it. And I thought first I would add a scarf to this chair on the side of it. This is a scarf that I just got from Amazon, and it is so cute. Oh my gosh, I am definitely going to be stealing this from my decor and actually wearing it. But that's a little tip, is to use a scarf as an accent blanket instead of an actual blanket, because it's a lot cheaper to do that and it kind of looks the same. So to pull in that kind of reddish color, I have these pipberry picks. I put these in my garland last year and I really liked the little splash of color that it added, so I'm doing the same this year, and I'm struggling a little bit to do this one-handed, but I just wanted to show you that I just kind of put them in there and then just fluff up a few of the branches to make it look a little bit natural. And I think I ended up using 3 of these in my garland because I didn't want it to be too overwhelming, but I definitely wanted that pop of fall color. So I still really want to work on the shelves in my TV console. I'm not totally happy with those. So you may see them look a little bit different in my fall home tour. And I also added a pillow to the other chair. So we decorated my coffee table already in a video. This is the centerpiece that I chose from all the options I shared in that video. I took out the pumpkins and added my rustic beads because I just love them, and I have pumpkins everywhere you'll see. But now I just want to switch up the pillows and the blankets on my couch. I'm going to add this grandpa throw blanket that I got from Target. I'm obsessed with the colors in this blanket. It's browns and golden tones and ivories, and I am just loving that this year. I'm loving the like warm colors, so that's what you're gonna see everywhere. My pillow covers came from Amazon. The cognac color pillow in the back was from Homegoods, and I am putting this blanket, which has seen better days, in the center of my couch. The dogs have actually ripped holes in that blanket, so I'm probably gonna have to retire it, but it's just the perfect color for the color scheme that I'm going for. So I'm just adding another cognac colored pillow over here, and the couch is looking so cozy. It's just, I feel like I've never gotten my pillows right on my couch, but I feel like for fall this year I finally nailed it. At least I think that I have, so you'll have to let me know if you think that I have too. So because I have so many pillows on the couch, I'm putting this faux fur blanket away in a basket, and I'm adding this brown faux fur blanket on top. We actually use both of these blankets all the time and have had them for years. And above that, I have my new little side table. I am decorating this pretty much for the first time, and I'm just trying a few things out. I realized that the coasters probably weren't going to work on that side because you would have to reach across the vase to get to them, and I didn't want to risk knocking it over, so I switched those two around. And then I decided that my little turkey trinket dish was looking too plain, so I wanted to fill him up with some of my favorite little white pumpkins. And when I pick out real pumpkins, I look for ones with curly, long stems. I think that's so cute. I don't know why I'm obsessed with pumpkin stems, but really, I won't buy a pumpkin that doesn't have a cute stem. Well, I will, because, you know, I love pumpkins so much, but I really prefer the ones that have long stems. And so anyways, I just added a few leaves. I ended up taking these burgundy ones out because they just looked too dark. And I set that back on the table, and I think it looks really cute. And I love that I have this little space right next to the couch to decorate now. So I had mentioned to you guys in a previous video that I ordered a new shelf to go behind my couch, and she is here. I am so in love. This shelf came from Walmart and it was $130 on sale, but the full price is $170, and it is a dupe for a restoration hardware shelf that costs $750. So this is such a good find. I highly recommend it if you're looking for a new shelf. So it was really hard to try to film me decorating this, so I thought I would just show you the finished product. It's so easy to decorate because it's not massive, so it doesn't have a ton of room for you to add so many little knickknacks. It really kind of simplifies things, which I like. And this is my favorite shelf because of all these beautiful real pumpkins and gourds. This reminds me of my mom and dad and how they decorate for fall. And I decorate more for a feeling than a look, if that makes sense. I want to feel the nostalgia, so I definitely have achieved that for myself. And the bottom two shelves, you can't see them because the couch is blocking them, so they're just acting as storage. So I have some baskets holding weights and other things. And yeah, so I thought I'd give you guys kind of like a final look around the room so you can see how it all comes together. I am just really loving it, and you may see a few changes before my fall home tour, which will be coming up in another week or two. Before I head out of here, I wanted to shout out a few newer or smaller YouTubers who are really inspiring me this year. I think you guys will definitely want to check out the people that I mention for some inspiration. If you like my videos, then you will definitely like theirs because they inspire me. So first would be Cass from Cass TV. Her style is very similar to mine. We like the same colors and the same vibe, and she is so sweet. I've really been enjoying her videos. Next is Lisa from To Each Their Own Home. I love her style as well. I feel like we have a very similar style. She does decorating videos and homeschooling videos on her channel, so definitely check her out. Next would be Brittany Grayson. She is a brand new YouTuber. She does shop with me videos, and I didn't even know that the new Grove Collaborative scents were out until I saw her video showing the Mrs. Myers one, so she is definitely a good resource. And last but not least is Antoinette Marie. She does kind of like a boho fall vibe. I think you guys will really like her as well. So please go check all of them out in the description box below. Don't forget to check out Candle Heaven Inc. and their awesome new fall candles. I know you guys will love those as well. And I want to say thank you for spending time with me in today's video. I really appreciate that you spend your time watching my videos and supporting my channel. It means the world to me. I love you guys, and I hope to catch you in a future video. Bye now.